Hey, how are you all doing? It's Ben from EQL Networks and Security. Today I want to introduce you to an exciting and innovative product in the world of home security, the Ajax KeyPad TouchScreen. As we know, security systems are crucial for protecting our homes and businesses, and the way we interact with these systems is just as important as the systems themselves. We all know what traditional alarm system keypads look like, but the Ajax KeyPad touchscreen is designed to provide a seamless, user-friendly and efficient way to control your security system, combining advanced technology with intuitive design. Such a design allows the keypad to be installed in a number of different scenarios, from shops, commercial properties and even high-end designer homes. Look, if you're new to this channel and like what you see here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you don't, send us a comment and let us know how we can and how we can do better. And if you have any other questions or comments, don't be afraid to hit us up in that comment section below. Now, let's get right into this. So let's look at some of the key features. So what makes the Ajax KeyPad touchscreen a standout product? You know, this device, it's sleek, it's modern, and it's easy to use control panel that allows you to manage your entire security system with just a few taps. The first thing you'll notice about the KeyPad touchscreen is its elegant design. It features a large touchscreen interface which makes it incredibly easy to arm or disarm your security system, activate specific zones, control various connected devices. I guess one of the key advantages of touchscreen is its user-friendly interface. Unlike traditional keypads which can be cluttered with buttons and difficult to navigate, the Ajax KeyPad touchscreen presents a clear and simple layout that makes it straightforward for anyone to use. Whether you're tech savvy or not, that's another thing, but this thing is real easy to use. You see, users can perform security tasks quickly and efficiently, reducing the chance of user error. You know, using this keypad touchscreen, you can now simply arm the keypad using a PIN code, key fobs, swipe cards, and even better, you can tap using your phone. It could also notify you through the use of an onboard buzzer if an alarm goes off, a delay, or even an event is detected. Another important feature is the customization it offers. The keypad touchscreen can be personalized to fit the needs of different users. You can set up custom access codes for different family members or employees, and even assign specific roles for permissions. For example, you might want a cleaning service to have access to certain areas, but not others. With the Ajax KeyPad touchscreen, you can easily manage these permissions to ensure your security is always in line with your client's needs. Now, let's talk about some security enhancements. So, the Ajax KeyPad touchscreen isn't just about convenience, it's also designed with security in mind. One standout security feature is the duress code. You see, if you find yourself in a situation where you're forced to disarm the system, and you can enter a special code that disarms the system but also sends a silent alarm to a monitoring center or any other connected device. You know, this provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that help is on its way, even if you appear to comply with the intruder's demands. Moreover, the Ajax KeyPad touchscreen, that's a mouthful to keep saying that, features complex tamper detection. You know, if someone tries to remove the keypad from the wall or tamper with it, the system will immediately trigger an alarm, and it can also detect if the keypad is trying to be jammed or spoofed. You know, this proactive approach to security helps to prevent potential intruders from disabling your system. You know, keeping you and your client's property safe. Now, another aspect of this keypad is it's a valuable addition to any security system. You know, its seamless integration with other Ajax devices allows this keypad to work wirelessly with the Ajax hub, which, if you've seen other videos, is essentially the brains of the system. You know, the wireless connectivity ensures the keypad can be placed wherever it is most convenient, without the need for complex wiring. This is especially beneficial during installation, making the process quick and hassle-free. This keypad also supports integration with smart home system. You know, that means it's just more than just a security system. You can actually use this keypad to control lights, garage doors, and other connected devices, all from a single interface. This can be achieved using Ajax relays, but I'm not going to go talk about these. We'll mention those in another video. You know, this integration not only enhances security, but also adds to the convenience and functionality of your smart home setup. Now, let's talk about user experience and maintenance. So this Ajax KeyPad touchscreen is designed to be incredibly easy to use. You know, the touchscreen is responsive, intuitive, and ensures that users can easily access those features they want without any confusion. As for maintenance, the keypad is designed to be low maintenance and durable. It's equipped with long-lasting batteries which last up to about 1.5 years using 6x AA batteries, ensuring that it remains operational even in the event of a power outage. Additionally, the keypad can be directly powered from a 12-volt DC power source. So, in conclusion, and let's finalize all these things up, This keypad touchscreen, it's advanced. It's user-friendly. It's a secure way to control your security system. With its sleek design, customizable features, enhanced security measures, and seamless integration with other Ajax products, it offers a modern solution to meet the demands of today's security needs. When you're looking to protect your clients' homes, office, or businesses, this Ajax KeyPad touchscreen provides a reliable and intuitive way to manage their security needs. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If it has helped in any other way, please don't be afraid to hit us up in that comment sections below. At EQL, we just don't sell products, but we sell solutions, and we're always here to help and support your business.